are Group 13 Software Engineering Project Module, Semester 5. Our project was to create workflow management system for Galle District Irrigation Department. So let's get started from the demonstration by creating an employee. So first of all, this is the registration page. We can provide first name, last name and a valid email address with a valid password. So if we provide invalid email and invalid password, it will throw us error. So we have to provide valid credentials. So after registering to the system, it will send us an email so that we can go to our inbox and confirm our registration by clicking the link provided in the email. Then even though we click that, even though we verified our email, we cannot still log into the system. I will demonstrate that. This is because the system is a closed system where one organization is using for their specific tasks. So other people cannot register into the system. Those security aspects are vital for the system. That is why we cannot register. After registering the system, we cannot log into the system straight away. So if a new employee is registered and verified his email, DI will get data about this. DI means the Director of Irrigation user. He has to provide authorization, he has to authorize this newly created employee before the newly created employee enter into the system. So now let's log into the system as DI user, that means Director of Irrigation. So after logging into the system, DI user can go to this tab, user tab, and this user interface provide all the details of the currently available users in the system, and DI user can search the new user here, and as you can see, the new user status is still pending. So DI can approve or delete the user. Let's approve the user, and as you can see, the roles are empty still, but only the DI user can edit these user roles or assign these user role to users of the system. So let's assign NE. We can assign any number of roles. For the time being, let's assign NE, which stands for mechanical engineer. So the next step is task button. So all the workflows that are currently available in the system are visible here, all the workflows, and the DI or any user can use this search bar to search a workflow and then search a workflow. And also this new task or new workflow button. So when we create this new workflow button, only DI can create new workflows. So workflow has some category. So we can select a category from this, and we can give a description of the main workflow, and we can provide total budget amount so that the people who are assigned to this workflow will know about the budget allocation of this workflow. And the next step, according to our structure, the workflow structure, each workflow can have several subtasks. So one or more subtasks, and each subtask is assigned several people, several employees of the organization. So to create a new subtask under this workflow, we can provide this plus icon, and we can, so this is a subtask form that we are getting, and we can assign several subtasks for our workflow. So we can click this button multiple times. If we want to delete the last one, we can click this button. So let's put two subtasks under this main workflow. We can provide a task name, we can provide a note and a deadline, and we can use this button to assign new employees to this subtask, this specific subtask. So let's assign something. We can assign any number of employees. Sorry. And this is the next subtask. We can have a deadline for the next subtask as well. So let's assign the newly created employee for this subtask. So after clicking submit, we can see the new workflow has been created, and we can click that, and as we can see, each subtask is displayed here under the workflow. So this there are meanings for these dots, colors, so we can see the color meanings by clicking this. So if I give another example, proper example for our workflow, as you can see, these color dots are there to showcase a meaning. For example, red means not yet finished, subtask not yet finished. Green means completed before the deadline, likewise. So to demonstrate the notification system of our system, I will now log out from the DI user and log in as the newly created user, because we assigned that user to a subtask, so he should be getting an notification. Yes, as you can see, this notification tab shows the new subtask that he is assigned, so that he can work on it. And also there is a profile page for the user to update their password as well.
We previously add a main task and assign workers who are specific to the subtask. So we saw in this main task we assign two workers. One is Sandun and other is Tatsara. According to this, we can see the workflow which we are creating. So we already saw the workflow which is created by the Director of Irrigation. So the task, he assigned EA and a draftsman. EA is Sandun and the draftsman was Tatsara. So the main part which is assigned to the EA is preparing the estimate. So after his preparation, there are several steps to check his estimate, and finally, Director of Irrigation approve his task and the budget will be allocated. So here I will show you how the engineering assistant upload his document which is belongs to the estimate things, and also how the draftman check those things. So let me log in as a engineering assistant named Sandhu. So here you can see the task panel, and here you can see the test description which was created previously as a main task. So here you can also see the notification thing about the subtask. So we can go to this panel, and here you can see the subtask which is assigned to him, and also the deadline of this subtask. Here we can go to this subtask and see all the details which are related to the subtask. Here you can see the assigned workers, Sandun and Tatsara, and their roles. And this is the deadline of the subtask. To complete the subtask, Sandun has to go to the work area. So here you can see the work area. In this, Sandun can upload the files about the estimate things. So here I can upload the file. Let's assume this is the estimate which he has prepared. After that, he can send the files to the draftsman who is checking his files and approve his task. Let me send the files. After sending those files, engineering assistant will redirect it to this page. This is the file store. There he can download his own file here. Here, if he want to add another file or files, he can go to this. Then he can upload any amount of files here. If he want to complete his task, he can go to this. Here he can complete his task. So after this process, engineering assistant's task is already done. So let us check the draftman's duty. To that, I will log out here and log in as a draftman. Here I logged in as a draftsman. So the task draftman is checking the uploaded documents of engineering assistant. So let me check this process. Here we can follow all the steps we done before. Here you can see the subtask. So after coming to this page, you can see Sandun engineering assistant, he already done his task. So let us complete the task of the draftman. To that, we can go to the work area. Here draftman can access the file store. Here he can see the file which has been uploaded by the engineering assistant previously. Here he can download this file and then check the file content and accept this file like this. And is there any mistake done by the engineering assistant, he can decline the file and comment out via email. So after that, he can also complete the task like previously. So this is the workflow management system we developed. Thank you.